go and see the world and just show them what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Got the devil in your eyes. Went into me, I'm surprised. Say what you wanna say, I won't go back. If you wanna hit the road, then let's go then. Let's just go and see the world and just show them what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden.
What is going on, my guys, man? Welcome back to another video. It is your boy FaTkaT, of course, bringing you another one, man. As you guys can see, sexy Christine sitting in the garage right now. Them calipers look kind of off, don't they? Them calipers look kind of red, and obviously she's orange, gold mango orange. But that is just the lighting, man. Obviously, it's all color matched and everything else. If you don't know, those are gold mango, not red calipers, gold mango calipers that we painted to go along with the car, man. So color match with the color code, paint code of the car and everything else, man. So shout out to my guys, Unique Rides. That and that was one of my first, actually that was my very first thing that I did to my car when I got it over a year ago. Anyway, man, so what is this video about? Long time coming. I haven't did one of these videos in a while. Here we go, man. Here is my next mod that is coming onto Christine. I'm not even going to play around with you guys. I'm going to go ahead and open it right now so you guys can see what it is. And there you go, man. Boom. Spoiler King spoiler, man. If you don't know what this is a Spoiler King roof spoiler. It goes on the back of the spoiler. As a matter of fact, I'll take you guys over there right now so you guys can see it for yourselves. I mean, a lot of people already have these. So you should kind of know what this is already. Let me go ahead and prop up this camera so you guys can see where it goes. Boom, and it pretty much goes just like that, man. Obviously it's not lined up correctly and all that good stuff, so you'll line it up and all that. And I'll tell you, man, this is the reason why I didn't get one of these in the first place, because I didn't want it to cover up my YouTube name. So I know I'm gonna have to figure that part out, but it is on there. And anyway, I wasn't gonna put it on right now anyway, because you guys know me. I can't just go with the regular, you know, roof spoiler like that, man. So I have to put my own little spin, my own little drip, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna have to do that, man. So this is going to be sent off to Mr. Drew 392, man. Make sure you guys check him out. He's you know, in my description below, man, his IG. Man, he's been doing a dope job over the last probably a month or 2 months. A lot of people have been hitting him up, man, because he's been pumping out some great work, man. If you guys make sure y'all follow him on IG, and so you guys can see all the work he's been doing. Matter of fact, let me show you guys what he did for me. If you guys are not up and updated on everything I've been doing in my car, let me show you guys what he did for me. So, Mr. Drew 392 is the guy that did these for me right here, man. These covers. Hold on, let me get a light to it so you guys can see it. Boom. You guys can see that real quick. Look at that. So yes, we have orange on, well, blue on orange, I should say, man. So he's the one who did this. I know it's kind of dark right now, so you won't be able to see it really well, but there is flake in there as well. I mean, literally, he asked for my paint coat off my car, and so the Go Mango paint. So this is actually Go Mango paint from my car, man. It is kind of dirty right now because I haven't washed it in a while, or at least I mean the motor part. But he did ask for my paint code, and he actually painted this with my paint code, man. So this is my actual paint as well, or my paint code color, I should say. So it has the gold flake in there from the Gold Mango and everything else, and then I asked him to put the blue on top. So he is going to do a few more things in here for me as well, man. So I got a few more things that I'm going to send to him with that, you know, with that roof spoiler. I'm going to send a few more pieces in here as well, so that he could get all of that taken care of, man, all at the same time, man. So my dude, Mr. Drew 392, make sure you guys go check him out on IG, man. He does phenomenal work. If you guys want anything done, anything hydro painted or hydro dipped, I should say, as well as painted, I mean, he could do it, man. He could do anything you want in here. Like, again, hydro dip, carbon fiber, whatever color, painted whatever color. I mean, this dude is a beast, an animal. He does it all from the comfort of his home, man. So as far as me though, like I said, I will be sending him that roof spoiler. Oh, first of all, let me say this. I can't believe I forgot to say this. That roof spoiler is coming by way of courtesy of Mr. Jose, man. Jesus, this dude Jose, man. I can't. Words can't even begin to describe how much I appreciate this, man. We met a long time ago. He was probably one of the first people that I met as far as one of my subscribers. He came to do some work at Unique Rides, and I'm telling you, man, we've been cool ever since. This dude is, I mean, just an outstanding guy, man. Just, you know, the heart that he has, man, it's unbelievable, man. It's incredible. And it's not just with me, man. I mean, anybody who's dealt with him can attest that this man is like super, like, I don't know what's the word, man. He's very kind-hearted, and he looks out for everyone, man. If he could look out for you, man, whatever he can do, man, he literally does that. Not just with, you know, giving you things or whatever, this and that, man, but like I said, he's one of those guys that will literally give you the shirt off his back if need be. You know what I'm saying? Like, he is literally one of those guys. So, I mean, man, can't stress enough how much I appreciate Jose. So again, Jose, appreciate you one more time, man. He's the one who sent me this. He was like, hey man, I got one, you want it? I was like, nah man, you good? He's like, nah man, go ahead. I was like, bro, you're too much, man. So he went ahead and sent it out. I actually got this about a week ago. I just haven't opened it yet. But I got it about a week ago, a little over a week ago now. And I finally got around to opening it and making a video for you guys and everything else. So you guys go check it out, man. So again, Christine, she will be getting that. Like I said, so I can't do that. I just can't do it normal, right? Flat black. A lot of people leave it flat black. I'm not gonna be able to do that. So we'll be sending that over to Mr. Drew 392. See what kind of drip we can put on that, man. See what kind of spin we can put on that. Because you know I can't just leave it normal. So we got to do that. And also while I'm sending that, I'm going to send them some more pieces inside my hood, man. So make sure you guys comment, or no, I'm sorry. Well, make sure you guys do comment, but make sure you guys subscribe, man. Make sure you guys hit that notification bell so you guys can make sure you guys do not miss what I'm going to be doing with these things, man, because it's going to come out dope, man. If you guys know me, you guys know it's going to come out dope. And if you guys also know me, you guys know I'm not going to do nothing that's going to, you know, I'm not going to do anything outlandish just to make views on YouTube. I'm actually building my car to be a nice, clean looking car, man. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not building my car to look ridiculous looking down, you know, going down the road. I drive my car almost every day other than the days my wife doesn't have to go to work or she works from home. But other than that, man, I drive her I drive her a lot. So, you know, I don't want, I mean, you know, everybody has different tastes, obviously, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not saying anything wrong about anybody else, whoever does their builds. But what I'm saying is that I'm not doing things just to get views and clicks and likes on YouTube, you know what I'm saying? I'm building my car as a car that your average person or your everyday person is going to build a nice clean build, and not be like super outlandish and everything else, man, just to people be like, ooh, whatever, and you get some likes or some clicks. I said that from the beginning. If you guys don't remember, man, go back to one of my first videos I did with this car. I said that from then, that, you know, everything I do with this car is gonna be nice, clean, you know, up to par and everything else, man. I had a few things I had to do, kind of jerry rig here and there, because things, you know, mishaps here and there, whatever the case. But nothing that I'm doing as far as I'm buying parts, when I'm doing this, I'm doing that, is not quality, or it's just like some, you know, third party craziness, whatever, like I said. And you know, like I said, not everybody's gonna agree with this. Some people be like, man, your car ain't, you know, your car's garbage because you don't got this, you don't got that, you don't got a wrap, you don't got da da da. Okay, man, cool. It's just not me, it's not my style, you know what I'm saying? No knock on anybody else whose style that is. It's just not my style, you know what I'm saying? I said from the very beginning, I like my car clean, with clean paint and clean mods and everything else, man, just to make it, just to make that car look nice, dope, and you know, and just look beefy, man. That's it. Just, you know, riding down the road, simple as that, man. So and I think up to this point, man, I think I kept my word on it. I mean, it's not even keeping my word, it's just the way I've always done it. I've always done it like that, you know what I'm saying? Every single car that I've had. So anyway, man, so it's gonna be no different with Christine. We're almost there on the outside. I got to get a few more things as far as the exterior. I might do a few things on the interior, but not much, okay, because I don't want it to look crazy, like a, you know, like a circus, or like a sideshow. So I'm not gonna do too much inside, but a few things here and there. A few things, I got a few more things to do on the outside, and then we're gonna start doing a whole bunch of things to the motor as far as cosmetic wise and also power wise, man. So we're almost there. Anyway, so again, recap this. Well, appreciate Jose one more time, man, for sending this Spoiler King spoiler out to me. It will be going to get his own little touches done to it from Mr. Drew 392, along with some stuff inside the motor, man. So anyway, man, other than that, I greatly appreciate you guys one more time. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, man. I'm gonna try to get these videos a little bit shorter for y'all, because I know y'all don't like these long ass videos, man. So hey, I'm going to try. But anyway, other than that, appreciate you guys. Oh, by the way, this weekend I will be at what is it, Texas? Is it the Texas Motorplex? I think it is, it's called. Anyway, the YouTube call out with Demonology, man. I will be there on March 7th, man. So make sure you guys definitely check us out. I'll be up there I'll be going up there with my dude Garage Driven. He's gonna be driving up there. I'm gonna be riding with him, and we'll be up there, man, March 7th, man. I'll be up there with my son Gianni. Gianni's coming with us, man. So if you guys are gonna go to that and you want to meet me, you're also going to be able to meet Gianni and everything else, because he will be out there with me, man. Yes, he is going to miss school on Friday. Kill me if you want me. I mean, kill me if you want to, whatever. He is going to miss school on Friday, but check it out. That boy has straight A's in schools, man. So I think he can miss one day of school to go hang out with his pops down there in Dallas, Texas, man. So anyway, it is what it is. Anyway, other than that, again, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. See you guys this weekend, man. If you guys go over there to the Demonology YouTube call out, man, I hope to meet a lot of y'all out there. But if not, it's cool, man. We're gonna have other events coming up, and y'all definitely, you know what I'm saying, we'll definitely link up sooner than later. Other than that, again, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. You guys know I am your boy FaTkaT, and we'll see you guys on the next one, man. Later.